What's going on over there? I think those redcoats are going to try to cross the river.
Yeah, I think they are this time. Like the regulars are up to something today?
Nah.
Maybe.
They've been doing this the last few weeks.
Yeah, every
I doubt they'll cross. Yeah.
Every day. Unless you want to poke your head around and see if they give you the finger.
Let's all draw straws.
Well, he's got the first shot. Yeah. No. I think they're moving to Kansas. Go now. Go. Something's happening.
I don't know if we should be here, man. Let's get out of here. Hey, Billy! Let's get out of here! Billy, come on! Come on, Billy! Come on, Billy! I think they're making a move. Oh, no.
Hey, go! Tell him!
Okay. I see him over there. Ready?
To the left!
Got it.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's go!
Flash in the pan.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
Come on, Billy.
Come on, Billy.
Stay with us. Stay with us. Come on, Billy.
Come on, Billy.